Republic of the Philippines, Supreme Court, Manila, First Division, final decision. First page of final decision of the Supreme Court, First Division, that I'm a winner and hiding of the company of ICTSI in so many years. My name was listed on this. My name was listed on the list. Marcelo S. Villacarlos was there, including Alberto Tayabas, my friend. This is first pages of the Supreme Court final decision. Second page, there. This case knowing me last year, September 2023, and my lawyer and hiding started 2010, and I have conversation to the guard on duty in his lawyer's office. The letter C of this case was finally decision of this case, and Supreme Court favor me as a winner, and I'll show up for the third pages. The third page is letter C, this one, to proper the reinstatement of this aforementioned dismissed workers, employees without loss of seniority rights and other privileges, plus back wages for a period not exceeding 3 years. That is decision of the Supreme Court favored me. The letter C of this case was finally decision recorded. Page 4. Duly giving me a referral year 2010 to claim to NLRC Director Arturo Tugadi Jr., but he did not pay me because he need to finding a record, and until now the record was missing in NLRC 2024 this year. Until now he cannot find the record. This is Supreme Court final decision. the lawyer of the company, sir, Attorney Dorian. Last pages of the Supreme Court decision. First pages of this decision recorded. In 4 pages, my name was recorded, Marcelo H. Villacarlos, and others. This company of ICTCI, I working as my position, utility lineman, in so many years. Sometimes for being work checker, location checker, and container yard in so many years too. But my original position is utility lineman in so many years. I will publish to my Facebook of this case until now without paying me of Arturo Tugali Jr. because the record of this case was still missing in 2024. This case, I know this case last year, 2023, September 2023.